Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. This is a free mining app. This is AlienXi guys. So this is a mining app. So all you have to do now is this is an interface. There's a link I'm going to drop on the comment section of this video. So the link I'm going to drop, there is a link I'm going to drop on under the comment section of this video. So when you click on the link now, it will redirect you to where you're going to download the app. So this is how the app looks like. So now I'm going to click on download. So when I click on download, you will see, okay, now it will say file might be harmful. Do you want to this? I'll have to click download anyways. So I'm going, the app is actually downloading, you can see that. So let's install the app. So guys, when you are done downloading the app now, it will say open. So I'm going to open. I'm going to click on open now. It will say install. Once you are done downloading, when you open it, you install the app. You understand? So the app is actually installing. So guys, this is what the app looks like. So I don't have an account yet. So it says login or sign up with Google. So I'm going to click on Google. You understand? So I have to choose the Google account that I want to log in with. So guys, you have to put on an invite code so that you earn 20 AlienXi immediately, guys. And that 20 AlienXi is worth $1.3. So guys, I'm going to pause this video and input my referral code. There is a link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video. So the link now, you will see the link there. Now I'm also going to drop my referral code. So you need to put in a referral code to earn. So guys, I'm going to pause this video now and input my referral code. So guys, I'm done inputting my referral code. So now I'm going to click on claim. You understand? So I'm going to click on claim now. Yeah, it says confirmation 100 token received from okay, it's even 100. So I was thinking it's 20, it's even 100, guys. So I've received 100 of this token. So I'm going to reopen the app again. So now it says swipe to start mining. If you look below here, you will see that it says swipe to start mining. So I'm going to click on that. So guys, it's actually 24 hours of 18, so you have to every 24 hours come back and claim. So automatically I've earned 110 of this AlienXi token. So now let's navigate through the app. Just click on this three dots at the left hand side. You click here now at the upper side. Okay, now let's go to profile. Okay, it says KYC coming soon, transaction whichever, website coming soon, contact us. So automatically when you log in with your Gmail account, automatically if you have a photo, it will be showing up there. So now let's go to wallet. So guys, automatically now I have $7. If you look up, you will see that. So use my referral code. I'm going to drop a referral code under the comment section of this video. If you look up down where I circled, you will see $7. Automatically I have 110 SI tokens. So guys, so it says, if you look below, it says metamask wallet address. Enter your metamask wallet address, submit. Notice, be careful, if you submit wrong wallet address you will lose your phone. So guys, let's go to our metamask. Because I guess this very token is using Ethereum network, so we will be needing our Ethereum wallet address. So we are going to use metamask. If you don't have metamask, go to Google Play Store and get your metamask wallet address and get your metamask app downloaded. So I'm going to input my metamask Ethereum address now. Let's go to my metamask. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. You don't even need a dollar to earn. So you can see I already have $7 on that very app. So I'm going to copy my Ethereum network address. If you look up here now, it says, if you look up now, you will see Ethereum. If you look up, it said Ethereum main network. So I'm going to click here now. I'm going to click here and copy my address. So now I've copied my Ethereum wallet address. So now I'll go back to the app and submit it. Then I'll click on submit. So automatically I have linked my Ethereum wallet address to this app. So when it's time for withdrawal, it's going to be easy for me. So let's go to, it says swap. This is where you're going to copy your referral code to invite your friends here now. So I'm going to leave my referral link under the comment section of this video now. So now let's go back to home. Let's navigate more on the app. So guys, if you look up, it says KYC coming soon. It says add your metamask. If you are seeing the ad, it says AlienXi every day, claim free Bitcoin coming soon. Look, see guys, there will also be adding more options. So the earlier you start, the better for you. So guys, once you use my referral code under the comment section of this video, you are going to get $7. 110. That 110 AlienXi is worth 7 point something dollars. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So guys, turn on the click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks guys for watching. See you soon. So if there is any other updates, I'll let you guys know.